We can use the treadmill specifically to work on your dog's strength, their proprioception or their awareness of their limbs in space, their balance and their flexibility, obviously cardiovascular fitness, and we can also work on their confidence with items that move. See that her top line is relatively strong and level, and her core must be engaged. Her head's a little bit low. She's actually watching the electronic gauge here. Ideally, I'd like her head a little bit up to be in better form. But I can see from the slow motion that she's trotting in nice form, so her front and her back feet are hitting the ground at the same time. Her stride length must be the same because she's straight through the body and the core. She's not crabbing to the side. And the distance she's hitting at the front and the back is even on one side to the other. You can see that barrier of the pole is making Dio stay in that crawling position nice and low to the belt as he comes forward for the treat. And I can choose where I position him in the lure relative to the pole to really help his whole body stay down. Okay, so the next bunch of exercises were basically too hard to categorize because they really work the whole body. But I think the advantage of these exercises is that they have a huge component of balance and proprioception and body control, which is really awesome for all dogs, but especially performance dogs. To do this on a treadmill requires a huge amount of coordination. Like a lot of the other exercises that I've already talked about, I'm going to start this teaching on the ground on a stable surface before I add it to a treadmill with a moving surface. So in this exercise, Dio's going to walk forwards on the treadmill and he's going to target 2 feet on the same side off the side of the treadmill. His 2 supporting legs are going to continue to step forwards as he's targeting those items. This is going to require significant core engagement to continue to hold his body nice and strong and step those supporting legs forwards.